So, hi students. I want to tell you today that hardly few days left for the workshop regarding the free education in Italy and Germany. I have heard from few students like, how can it be possible? How can it be a free education? I think you are doing some fraud. No, Vidya has never done anything fraud all these years and will never do it in the future. Yeah, there is free education in Italy and Germany, but of course, like terms and conditions means so many things needs to be applied if you want to make the education free. Because first of all, you are going to a foreign country, that also renowned public universities, and so like everyone cannot go for a free education. Of course, there are so many terms and conditions, so all those will be discussed, and we will also give you a very good package. We will give you so many other valuable gifts, you can say, on that day. Why I am telling gifts? No, not any not any gift in like we are not going to present you a laptop, or we are not going to give you any iPod. No, we don't believe in all those things. We can only give you value added service, like we can give you so many value added things in that package if you join the workshop, and that's it.